Okay guys, so I've been using the GoPro Hero Black 11 for about 2 weeks now, maybe 2.5 weeks, and so far I've gotten some brilliant video footage that you can see on this YouTube channel if you look around a bit. But I've got one complaint so far, and that is that you basically have to have one of these adapters, one of these SD card adapters. So when you do buy an SD card for your GoPro Hero 11, make sure that you buy an SD card adapter so that your SD card can come out of your GoPro and go in here. Now with the older GoPros, with the GoPro Hero 9, I never had the issue that I'm having right now, and that is when I use the cable that comes with the GoPro Hero 11 and connect it to my Windows computer. In the past I used to be able to delete everything very easily, transfer the files from the GoPro to the laptop relatively quickly. However, I started noticing today, after having quite a bit of footage recorded already, I noticed that when I tried to clear all the videos, when I tried to delete all the videos on the SD card, I kept having to go back. It would only delete like 5% or 10% of the stuff at a time, even though I selected everything and said delete everything. I'd have to keep going back and also transferring the files. And I'm using the cable that comes with the GoPro, just in case you're wondering. Even when I'm transferring files from the GoPro to my computer so that I can start my video editing process, I found it was much slower than before. I don't know what the issue is, but once you insert your SD card into the adapter and you plug it into your laptop, or I don't know, if you've got a desktop PC, you'll probably need an SD card reader. You can quickly transfer the files first of all, and you can very quickly format this card and erase everything. The GoPro doesn't allow you to erase all the videos at once, especially when you've got like 100 short video clips on it. So that's my only complaint so far. Everything else has been good. Thank you for watching.